Hi, I'm Brenda Cadman, and in today's quick Canva tutorial, I'll show you how you can quickly and easily add your logo to Canva's brand kit. So let's jump into Canva. You can upload your logo in various formats as a JPEG, a PNG file, or as an SVG. For most of you, when you're uploading your logo to Canva, it will be easiest to just upload it as a transparent PNG file. But if you're able to get an SVG version, that's even better because you'll be able to utilize it at any size. But whichever format you use, be sure that your logo has a transparent background. If you upload your logo as a JPEG on a white background, you're going to end up with a white box behind it, and that just does not look as seamless or professional in your graphics. Let's jump on over to the brand kit page, which you'll find here on the left-hand navigation. You'll see the brand kit page is broken down into 3 sections. Your brand logos up at the top, your logo palettes down here, and your brand fonts down here. Here's where we're going to run into a Canva free limitation. You can only upload your brand logo into the brand kit if you're on Canva Pro. I'm going to start by walking you through how to do this in the Pro account, but I'll also show you momentarily how you're going to have to approach this if you're on a free account. If you do have Canva Pro, or if you're planning to upgrade to it, you simply click on the plus sign here and you go find the logo that you want to upload, and then you simply upload them. And you can see that I've uploaded transparent images here, and the transparency is indicated by this grid pattern in the background. So let me show you where you're going to find those logos when you're designing an image. When I open a design, I have logos automatically showing here on the left-hand side, but if you don't see that appear for you, you'll find it underneath the More tab. When you select that folder, it will include all of the brand logos that you've uploaded into your brand kit, and all of them are going to be easy to find at your fingertips right here. So I can easily choose one of my logos, and there we go. So that's extremely handy. If you haven't yet upgraded to Canva Pro, I encourage you to give it a try. And you can do a 45-day free Canva Pro trial by going to brendacadman.com/Canva. Stay tuned for more quick Canva tips and tutorials. And if you want to know how to create consistently on-brand graphics and marketing materials for your business, check out the Create Your Canva Brand Kit in 5 Days mini course.